Okie dokie, this is going to be a pre-purchase inspection off our 61st Avenue North in St. Petersburg. We are currently on the roof on the left-hand side. This is going to be the master bathroom. The pipes underneath the house are cast iron. We can see a little scaling on the top side of the pipe. Which is completely normal for cast iron and of its age. So far there's a little bit of water being held, but we're back out of it. That was just a couple inches of a section of where it's holding water. So right here is PVC. I'm just going to run this camera all the way out as far as I can. We're going to run a bunch of water to clear up my camera lens, and then we'll start pulling back. The stack that I went through is a 2-inch stack, and then just to the right of that stack is going to be another 2-inch stack that's going to be for the laundry room that ties into this line. That line's only about like a foot long. There goes another clean out. And then the green pipe should be the city's end. Yep. And that's going to be the tap. So what I'm going to do is I'm run a whole bunch of water. We're going to clean my camera lens off, and I'll let the video roll while I go run some water downstairs. Okay, I just made sure to let the camera run for a bit. So it's definitely PVC coming back. It's PVC all the way to the tap. But obviously the tap's probably going to be clay. Usually they are in St. Pete. So this is a transition between PVC and can't really identify what this is. It's a very short section. If it is Orangeburg, it's in really good shape. If it's not Orangeburg, then it's going to be maybe some type of concrete pipe. And that's going to be their transition between that type of material. Oh, nope, we're still in that same kind. And now we're into cast iron. So we're back underneath the house. That's going to be the clean out. The sewer pipe here looks to be in really good condition here. Just ran a lot of water, didn't have any backup issues. And we're coming back up the stack. I'm going to pause here. We're going to pop down the laundry 2-inch stack. Right now we're in the 3-inch line, main. This run looks good as well. We're going to go ahead and run the cold water in the bathtub. Hopefully that can help me with my camera to get out a little bit further. It appears that this pipe is running across the house before it ties into everything else. So far I don't see any issues with this pipe as well. It's going to be the 3-inch pipe. I can hear the bathtub just getting turned on, and we're going to see how everything flows. I don't see anything broken in this line. Even if it is Orangeburg, it's in good condition. It's a very short run, so I don't see any necessary reasons to get it changed at the moment. If it was an entire sewer system, I usually recommend to replace it, but right now this is only going to be a couple feet long, maybe in the range of 6 to 10 feet. We're going to have to go back, and when I review the video, I'll be able to give you an accurate distance. So here comes the water behind us. You can see everything is running nice and smoothly. A little bit of buildup on a pipe. Getting ready to take a turn here. Yep, and so this is where everything ties in. So we've already gotten to this point and inspected this part of the 3-inch line, so everything here looks good. We're going to go ahead and start pulling back and taking another look at the pipe as the water is running. And this is just a bathtub, and the water's just racing out of here. That's excellent. You can see here the water's still racing by. It looks like when I pull it back, like that there's a lot of water. It's just that the water's just kind of running around the camera and pooling up, so it might look like a lot, but it's not. You can see here that's excellent flow, and again, this is just a bathtub. And we're at the base of the stack. This will conclude the video. Thanks for watching.